Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. Start off by sliding out and removing the upper basket assembly. The clips are found here, one on the left side rail and one on the right side rail. They stop the upper basket assembly wheels from falling off the end of the rail. To remove, simply unclip and pull the clip away from the rail. Unpackage your new clips. They're marked L for the left side rail and R for the right side rail. The process is the same for both the left and right clips. Attach to the rail and ensure it clicks into place. Reinsert your upper basket assembly and make sure it stops at the end of the rail. And that's it, your new dishwasher rail end clip is all set to go.